Do you want to be certain you have chosen a sustainable material for your projects? The Italian Ceramic Tile Company has adopted an industry-wide Environmental Product Declaration (EPD) that provides clear and transparent certification of the performance of the industry's products. Individual Italian companies also have EPDs for their own products. The EPD takes account of environmental performance over the entire life cycle of ceramic tiles, from raw material procurement to the end-of-life stage, in accordance with key environmental impact parameters. Many countries do not have sector-specific EPDs for the ceramic tile industry. Compared to other countries that have adopted an EPD, the Italian ceramic tile industry stands out for its lower greenhouse gas emissions, less consumption of fresh water, and greater use of renewable energy resources. The EPD provides objective data, certifying the sustainability of the materials you choose. Watch all the videos on the sustainability of Italian ceramic tiles on ceramica.info. The Italian ceramic tile industry is truly unique.